Hey everyone, today we are going to do 12 minutes workout for your daily routine. So let's get started. First you have to stand in Tadasana. ताड़ासन से क्या होता है, ये जो हम बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट खड़े होते हैं, आपका गेज एक पॉइंट पे होता है, उससे आपकी बॉडी का पोस्चर ठीक होता है. नाउ टेक अ स्टेप बैक विद योर लेग, लेफ्ट लेग और राइट लेग इट शुड बी. नाउ द फॉरवर्ड नी बैंड, आगे वाला जो पैर है उसका नी को बेंड करना है, हैंड्स को ऊपर लेके जाना है, प्रॉपर स्ट्रेच करना है. इनहेल और एक्सहेल कंटिन्यू थ्रू योर माउथ. नाउ वी विल डू द वॉरियर 2 पोज. हैंड्स को साइड में लेके आ जाएंगे. गेज एट योर मिडल फिंगर नेल. अपने जो मिडल फिंगर है, जो सामने वाला हाथ है, उसके नेल पर आपको ध्यान देना है. नाउ वी विल डू द परिव्रत वॉरियर पोज. हैंड्स को अप साइड लेके जाएंगे और दूसरे हैंड को नी पे टच करेंगे. अगेन वॉरियर 2 एंड स्लोली वी विल कम टू द वॉरियर 1. स्ट्रेच फुली and slowly come back from the pose. Stand in Tadasana. Relax. Now we will repeat the sequence with another leg. Take your leg back. Slowly take your hands forward. Bend your knees. Feel the stretch. Warrior 1. Slowly we will go to the warrior 2. Hands should be straight. Gaze at your fingertips. From here we will go slowly to the Parivrata warrior. Feel the wonderful stretch. Slowly go back to the warrior 2. Now warrior 1, take your hands up. Feel the stretch and slowly come out from the pose and stand in Tadasana. Wonderful. Now we will take the one leg back. Now we will go slowly to the Ashwa Sanchalanasana. पीछे वाले पैर के फुट पे आपको ध्यान देना है. पीछे वाले पैर जो है उसको बिल्कुल स्लैंट करेंगे. आगे वाला पैर आपके दोनों हैंड्स के बीच में आएगा. गेज एट वन पॉइंट. Feel the stretch. Slowly from here we will go to the Anjaniya Asana. Hands up and feel the stretch. Now come back from the pose Ashwa Sanchalanasana to the Padhastasana. Leg को आगे लेके आएंगे and slowly come to the Tadasana. Relax. Now we will repeat the sequence with another leg. Take your leg back. Slowly go to the Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Bend your knees and take your another leg back. अच्छे से आपको टोज का ध्यान रखना है. Feel the stretch properly. Leg should be between your palms. Gaze at one point. Slowly go to the Anjaniya Asana. Feel the stretch to your waist area, leg area. Wonderful stretch for your body. Come out from the pose slowly to the Ashwa Sanchalan. Take your leg forward to the Padhastasana and slowly come up to the Tadasana. Relax your body. Now slowly and gently take your left leg back. Now hands straight. Now tilt your body to the right side and hold your right heel with your right hand and look up. Left hand straight up. Trikonasana. Wonderful for your legs mobility. Stretch to your waist area. Wonderful. And continue. Slowly we will come back from the pose. Now we will repeat it from the another side. Now tilt your body to the left side. Hold your left heel with the left hand and look up to the right hand side. You can hold this pose as much as longer you want. Wonderful for your strengthening also. Slowly straight and come up the pose. Now we will do the cat and cow stretch. Inhale and exhale, roll over. Inhale up, exhale, roll over. Inhale up, exhale, roll over. Continue. Wonderful to your back mobility. You can do here 7 to 10 count on your own preference. Now come to your Vajrasan. Slowly we will here do the Nadi Vibhajanasana, but you don't need to lift your hand, only you have to lift your leg, but I am doing here with my hands and legs both. So as your own comfort, you can perform this asana. Gaze at one point and slowly relax and rest in the child pose. Now slowly we will do here camel pose, Ustrasana. Touch your heel with both the hands. Push your body a little bit forward and feel the wonderful stretch. Wonderful if you have thyroid problem, breathing issues, back mobility issues. Wonderful for your weight loss as well. Now slowly go back and rest in the child pose. Relax, hand should be straight. Now slowly stand up again, legs apart, hands inhale and sit in the Malasana. Wonderful if you have indigestion problem, so wonderful stretch for your indigestion. Continue as much as you can hold the pose. Now hold your toes and stretch up. We will repeat here 3 to 4 times. Come down slowly and stretch up. Knees should be straight here. Come down and inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax again to the Malasana. Elbows should be stretch your knees. अच्छे से मलासन में बैठकर अपने एल्बो से नीज को पुश करना है, पेल्विक को स्ट्रेच देना है अच्छे से. Now relax. Now we will balance our body. So balance your knees. If you can straight your legs, so you have to straight your legs and hold. Now we will do the bridge pose. And in bridge pose, if you want to go another level, so you can hold your legs upward. Wonderful for your pelvic muscles, for your weight loss, for your face area, for your thyroid. Wonderful. One pose, multiple benefits. Hold as much as you can. Relax. Now hold the Pavan Muktasana, touch your head to the knees and relax. Now hold Happy Baby pose, touch your toes and stretch. You have to stretch your inner thighs. Now we will stretch full and slowly lift your head up and slowly down. Feel the stretch. Now close your leg. Slowly come back to the Pavan Muktasana and you have to roll over to your back and try to sit. As you will sit here, hold your position and slowly feel the stress going out and relax. Now we will do here some pranayama as well. So I am doing here Bhramari pranayama because I like it very much. You can do as your own Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, whatever you will want to do here. So Bhramari pranayama, close your eyes with fingers and thumb, ears with your thumb. Inhale through nose and exhale with a closed mouth with the sound of humming being. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and relax. You can sit here for meditation as well. Brahmari is very wonderful for your brain and gives you wonderful feeling, peaceful feeling. Relax for meditation for a minute. You can repeat here Om sound as well as if you want. Observe your breathing. Slowly come back and rub your hands. Put on your eyes. Feel the warmness. Slowly look up the sky, then to the Earth Mata and do Namaskar. And if you want to take relaxation,